This is my bike check. Starting from the top. ODI long neck grips. Fly bar ends. Sputnik throwdown bars. Eastern Decepticon stem, which I don't recommend because the bolts are too small to tighten down and they kept moving. As you can see, I got a coat of JB Weld in there. FSA internal headset. Sunday night forks. Big City front wheel. Mosh sealed hub. Odyssey GI pegs. Both tires are those Aikens 225s. The frame is an Aiken S3. DK Social cranks with the Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Shadow version 2 chain. Chain wheels, just some offset one I had handed down to me because I kept blowing them out. Seat post and clamp are both animal. The seat post is an animal wedge pivotal. And the seat post is a pivotal stripe. In the rear I got the Odyssey GI pegs. And the hub is an Alienation free coaster laced to that Alienation black sheet. It's a complete wheel. It works out pretty good. I like it. Not a lot of maintenance like everybody said it was going to be, honestly. That's it, man. That's my bike check.